Hi, I'm Callum from Technicap, and in this video I'll show you how we use Power BI dashboards to track work, monitor progress, and keep projects moving ahead of schedule. We'll explore the key metrics and components of the dashboard through a case study involving corporate environmental disclosure, and how we use this method to optimise what was initially a 3-month process into a slick and efficient 6-week process. Let's get started. Most projects don't fail because of bad work. They fail because of poor visibility, and poor visibility leads to a lack of control. You don't know what's stuck, you don't know who's overloaded, and you don't know if you're behind schedule. Until it's too late. Let's think about how projects are usually tracked. Most projects consist of status meetings, email updates, Excel trackers, and manually updating traffic light charts. It's all reactive. It doesn't get you ahead of the curve. This is where Power BI comes in. Power BI is Microsoft's data visualization platform. It takes raw data from tools like SharePoint, Excel, SQL Server, CRMs, case management software, and many more, and turns it into interactive dashboards. Instead of reading status updates, you see them instantly. Let's dive into our case study and explore how this works in context. One of our major annual projects is managing corporate environmental disclosure on behalf of an environmental organisation. The process requires assessing emissions data, energy usage figures, governance documentation, risk assessments, and supplier information from over 5,000 businesses and corporations around the globe. Carrying out this work is a team of 60 data scorers, whose role is to assess the data and then grade companies' environmental performance for the year according to strict criteria. Our job was to manage the scoring team and their workloads, with the goal of completing all work by a set deadline. At the beginning, the data lived in spreadsheets, reports, and sustainability documents. There was no single view of progress, no way to see what was complete, what was missing, or where the risks were. Using a systems engineering approach, we implemented a structured set of processes, which fed into reporting dashboards that centralized all key metrics. Tracking work completed, document status, target progress, and outstanding actions in real time. Enter Power BI. Here, we see a dashboard that tracks total company reports, total reports completed, reports remaining, completion over time, and completion by day. One of the most powerful visuals in this dashboard is the burndown chart. It shows how much work remains over time, and whether we're burning through tasks at the right pace. The grey straight line indicates the optimal path from the start of the project to the deadline. The purple line shows actual work done. Above the grey line means we're behind, and below the line means we're ahead. Instead of just seeing how many tasks are completed today, we can see the trend. Are we consistently reducing workload? Is progress slowing down? Has the scope increased? It gives leadership an early warning if delivery is drifting, and it keeps the team focused on finishing. Instead of manually chasing updates, leadership can instantly see readiness levels, gaps, slippage, and compliance risk. The beauty of this setup is that the dashboard isn't manual. The moment the data is updated, the dashboard updates too. With the right dashboard in place, you eliminate what's the status emails, guesswork around deadlines, uneven workload distribution, and surprise delays. And instead, you replace them with clarity. You don't need more meetings, you need better visibility. If you'd like help building a project tracking dashboard tailored to your business needs, get in touch with Technicap today.